Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to another video tutorial today. Today we're going to start out with our Seaside Wishes bundle. And then for the next couple of days, we're going to do a couple more projects using this. I love this. Summer's pretty much over. We got a little bit longer before fall officially starts. But it's still warm out, still nice. For those of you close to the beach, you're probably still going to the beach. So I just thought I'd share these before summer was completely over. Just a quick reminder, our new mini catalog came out with all of our holiday and fall products. So we also have some new scrapbooking products and a couple of new kits. So a lot of great things going on. I'll put a link in my video description so you can check those out, but let's get going. So I did a class during our cruise, and we did, I think, 6 projects. We did 5 or 6. We did 5 projects for this class using the Seaside Wishes bundle. I'm going to share just 3 of them this week. I'm not going to share all, but I will share a few. So we are going to start out with a card base of Pool Party. That's just a half sheet. I have a piece of Whisper White, and I die cut a little square out of here using the Stylish Shape dies. It doesn't matter that I needed this to put on top, so it didn't have to be straight. So I just cut it out of the middle. So I wouldn't waste cardstock because this is just really going to be a matte, and the inside's not going to matter. And then I have a piece of this Country Woods designer paper. Love this stuff. And when I first saw this, it reminded me of the beach. You know, we see all those beach signs. Let's see, I think I'm gonna put it this way, with driftwood and different things. I just thought it was really perfect for this card. I can hear sirens going off in the background. That's our tornado warning system. Okay, so I'm going to use one of the sentiments in the set. It says, sometimes the simplest things mean the most. And I'm using some Misty Moonlight ink to kind of go with the darker blue here. And I'm going to stamp it a little above center, centered side to side, but a little above centered from top to bottom. And the other thing we're going to stamp is this great starfish. We're going to use Pool Party for this. I'm going to stamp it right there. Let's go ahead and stamp one on our card front. Go ahead and decorate that. Well, let's go ahead and stamp one on the inside too. This is our one stamp. I'm not going to stamp words on the inside because this is kind of an all-purpose card. It could be thank you, it could be, you know, thinking of you, it could be a lot of different things. So I'm going to leave that. And then I'm going to adhere this up to the top. It's nice because we have these lines. We can use them to line up and make sure it's all straight. All right. Now I need to die cut my starfish. This one is nice and easy to line up because you see this arm's got a little crook in it, and then the die has one too. And then I've already embossed and die cut a small sand dollar out of Petal Pink, just to save a little time. And then in the die set we have a couple, I call them sponges. I don't know, I think that's a cross section of a sponge. We have a small and a large sponge, so I'm going to use the smaller one with some gray granite. So I'm going to die cut this and my starfish at the same time. Let's bring our die cutter in. Okay, I've got my white Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine is downstairs for class. Okay, we can just put that there. Put that crank through. Okay. Oh. All right. That cuts out so nice. Okay. This one, I like to just flick it a little bit and get all that extra cardstock out of there that we don't need. Let's get this pushed out. Well, that comes out really nice. Okay. A little flinging. Once in a while I have to pick that up off the floor, but usually it works pretty good. All right, now we're going to add these, and I am going to adhere the sand dollar. I'm trying to decide. I think I'm going to put that side up. You can actually do either side up on the sand dollar. Put that there. We're going to use a little liquid glue on the back of our sponge. Uh-oh. I had some power just go out. I don't know what happened, but we're on video with my phone, so we're still hopefully working. If my internet didn't go out, I don't know what happened, but I just saw some lights go out. So we may have an issue here. We'll deal with that shortly. Hopefully we can get through the video. All right. All right, now I've just put a couple small dimensionals on the back of here. And I'm going to pop this up right here, I think. And then I'm going to take a little bit of, what is this? It is, I hear somebody doing construction or work outside, so I'm wondering if that's what's happening. Okay, I'm going to take my linen thread and I'm just going to kind of wrap it around a little bit and then trim it off right here. And I think I have 2 glue dots left on this. I was going to go downstairs to get a couple glue dots and then I forgot. I got sidetracked is what happened. So let's see, let's put this one right here. Trying to make it skinny. All right. And then I'm going to put one more right over here to hold the other end. I feel like I have one more right here. Nope, that's not a glue dot. There's a couple stuck onto my, let's see if I can pull enough off. You guys can probably hear, that's actually the lawn people next door. I don't think they would have messed with it. Okay, glue dot's not gonna work. Let me grab, I have a little bag of my leftover glue dots from Paper Pumpkin and my kits, so I'll just use one of these before I go get another box, because I forgot. All right, let's see, where did I put that? Right there. Okay. I'll make that small so it's not sticky. Cute. I'm going to add that up a little higher so we can see it. All right, now for embellishments, we can use a couple different things. I'm going to use these flat adhesive back pearls only because, you know, they look like pearls, like they came out of the ocean. So let's just grab a couple. I got a little smudge there. That's where one's going to go. Let's throw another. We'll do a little one over here. Cute. Isn't that sweet? Such a sweet little card for any occasion. And so simple. So simple. Okay, I hope you liked today's project. If you place an order with me this month, it's 35 or more, you're going to get a set of our card class projects. We're doing fun folds this month. And you can use whatever sentiments you want. If you spend 50, so I'm flustered. My power went out. Kids are calling. The lawnmower's going. All right. Well, thanks everybody for stopping by today. And I would love to have your order. And I will talk to y'all soon. All right. Bye-bye.